Hi everyone, I want to share with you this very exciting kit that I just received. So you can probably just see already what it is. It's the Bella Aurora tee by this designer. She is fantastic, and I was so happy to see she has a pattern on the We Are Knitters website because her patterns are in Spanish and I don't speak Spanish, so they're lovely. Now, let's talk a little bit about We Are Knitters. This is my second order from them. Well, kind of. I ordered in the past 5 skeins of their Pima cotton wool yarn. And I recently completed a project, which I will do a separate video, using their yarn and their patterns. However, I didn't buy the pattern with the yarn. Sadly, I really like their aesthetics, but they rarely offer their patterns like just the pattern. So I actually grabbed a couple of patterns when there was what seems to me like a very rare sale of just patterns. And yeah, and I finished one of them, so I'll do a video about that. But that's one of the kind of annoying things I find about it, that you have to buy the whole kit. And there's no way around this. These are expensive. However, I have tried a few cotton yarns, and I have to say that the We Are Knitters one, it's from Peru, and their colors are gorgeous, although many times they are out of stock. But the yarn is beautiful. It's like just a beautiful, beautiful cotton yarn. So I wanted this kit because we hope to go on vacation in July, and I really wanted just like a nice project to take with me on vacation. But I was hesitating because of the price tag. And then they had a 25% sale, which still was expensive. But with the sale, it was, how much was it? I think with shipping to Austria, where I am, I think they ship from Germany. I know they have like branches, I want to say worldwide. I'm pretty sure they have one in the US, but there's one in Germany. So it was around 40 euros, which is quite steep. But this was kind of like a treat to me for my vacation. And what they do extremely well, in my opinion. It's just that the price tag is a little bit intense. And yeah, look, if you find, first of all, if you have the budget, if you find a pattern that you love and you've tried their wool, I will say wait for a sale. Like, they have quite regular sales, usually 25% off. Sometimes I've seen 30% off. Don't buy full price. Even with the sale price, it's still expensive, but yeah, take advantage of the sales. Okay, so let's take a look what we got here. So this is, you get the instructions. So these are the instructions. And I asked for English, but it looks like it just comes with all the languages. And okay, that's kind of weird. It looks to me like they gave me the instructions for the larger size, because this includes 5 skeins and I know that I don't have 5. Okay, future editing Irit here, and I'll save you from listening to my confusion. Yes, they made a mistake, and I contacted customer service, and they replied very, very quickly and gave me the PDF with the instructions for the patterns for all the sizes, and also asked if I wanted a hard copy, which I said there's no need for it. It's just wasteful. I don't need it. I can print just the pages in English that I need. It doesn't look as nice as this, you know, nice little notebook, but that also has like all the languages. And yeah, again, I think it's a little bit wasteful. I think it's a shame that they don't have a separate, you know, notebook or whatever copy for each language, but it is what it is. I guess it simplifies things. So I was happy with customer service, and you know, I am able to, even though I'm not going to use this immediately, I'm able to print the instructions. I didn't order the hook because with the other pattern that I made from their website, my gauge was not exactly like theirs, so I didn't want to waste money on, like, I wanted to try their hooks, but I didn't know if it would fit. Okay, so the color that I chose is, I think it's called, this is made in Peru, as I said, and just a few words about their cotton. So this is 100% Pima cotton, and you get 100 grams in each skein, which are 212 meters or 232 yards. The color is mauve, and it is beautiful. So as you can see, it's a beautiful mauve. Yeah, it's just kind of annoying. What can I tell you? But the yarn is beautiful, and I think the pattern is also beautiful. This is it, and I'm really looking forward to it. But now I will go and email them. Okay, so besides that, I have also a little haul that I wanted to show you. So this I ordered from like an Austrian website, and I've talked so much about this yarn, but this is to me like a really, really nice vegan-friendly mohair alternative. And I wanted 2 more skeins of these colors. So this one is called this, which means, as far as I know, it means cloud in French. These are the brand is French, and this particular yarn is made in Italy. This color is my favorite, one of my favorites. That's the name here. And then I wanted to see their blue, because I think this is the only color in the range that I don't have. And it's a beautiful kind of ultramarine blue. That's the name. So I really, really love these. They're probably better for winter, especially because they are super synthetic. This is 65% polyamide, 35% acrylic, and it is, they don't really say the size here, but this is the details. So you can see they recommend a 4.5 millimeter knitting needle. I did a crochet, Tunisian crochet sweater with this using a 12 millimeter needle. There's a review on my channel if you want to see how that looks. And then I ordered another skein of this yarn, which I have ordered in a different color and really, really loved. This is surprisingly cotton, mostly cotton. So this is, this is 65% cotton and 35% polyamide, and it's incredibly soft. And it's called Happiness by Wool Addicts. And yeah, it's just really, really lovely. Again, I think I will have to wait for winter to use these. And then I really wanted to order some more colors of this beautiful yarn. Now, despite appearances, this is 100%, are you 100%? Sorry, 85% cotton. So almost all of it is cotton, and the rest of it, the 15%, is polyamide. Again, very soft. This is by Katia, which is a Spanish brand, and this one is made in, where are you made? Yeah, this is also made in Italy, and it's just gorgeous. And I do think that if I find the right, I need to find like the right stitch and the right gauge, but I do think this would make like really beautiful light summer tops, and that's my plan for it. So this is kind of my favorite color in their range. It's called, I want to say water something. The number is 75. This is 74. You can see it's a very beautiful light blue. This one is called Jeans, I think. The color is 81. And then this one is called Rose or Rosé. and this is 72. So very, very muted color palette, which I think kind of fits the nature of this yarn. And it's just like really surprising to me that this is mostly cotton. I always try and find vegan-friendly options to kind of the classic looking animal fibers, which I don't use. And I think this is just like beautiful. The colors are so pretty. So I thought maybe like a stripy top with these two. Again, because these yarns, what I find challenging about these kinds of yarns that are kind of different than, you know, something more standard like a DK cotton yarn, is finding the right pattern and the right stitch. I know that there are probably, I should look for, maybe the manufacturer has good options, but yeah, that to me I feel is the challenge. Let me just tell you a bit more about this. They recommend 4.5 to 5 millimeter knitting needles and a 5.5 to 6 millimeter crochet hook. That's, I think probably that's what I would use, like a 6, even a 6.5, again, depending on the stitch. And you get 50 grams will give you 150 meters, roughly 164 yards. So these are the details of Katia Pluma. I didn't say the name. This is Katia Pluma. And I think it's just gorgeous. It's kind of like, I want to live here. But this is also nice. I just have to write them. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this somewhat disappointing, it's not disappointing, it's all good, haul. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye bye.